My name's Chrissy Gittens. I'm a crime scene technician with the Idaho Falls Police Department here. My job here is to respond to crime scenes and document the evidence in the form of photographs and collection of evidence and the processing of crime scenes, reconstructions, things like that. Behind me here you see our little evidence processing lab where I bring most of the evidence I collect. And basically what I can do here, I can process items for fingerprints that we collect from crime scenes. And this machine you see right here is called our Acrylate fuming chamber, which is just a fancy word for super glue. And it's a method we use for items that we want to develop fingerprints on. And basically how it works is we place some ordinary super glue in the machine on a hot plate, and the heat creates some fumes, and the fumes from the super glue will react to the deposits left by your fingerprints and basically solidify your fingerprints. And in a way they become permanent on the item. This little machine you see behind me here is a drying chamber. It allows us to dry items that are saturated with body fluids and blood and things like that. And it allows us to do it in a safe environment. And so we can place wet clothes in here and let them dry overnight before we package them and put them into evidence. This machine over here is called a Downdraft Station. And it creates a downward flow of air so that when I use fingerprint powders and things like that, they get filtered through the air and rather than getting into the air and into my respiratory system and things like that. So it basically offers me a safe place to do that type of work.